Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And here we are yet again with another variation of a Moscow Mule. I'll be making an orange Moscow Mule. I'll be using real oranges, mint, ginger beer, and gin, of course. So if you want to know how to make my Moscow Mule, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my little can, my little shaker, and I'm going to add 2 ounces of gin. Now, you can use a vodka, you can use tequila. I like gin, and I don't know why, I just like that. It's like an earthy smell. I don't know, I really like it. Next, I'm going to add 2 ounces of an orange juice, not orange juice. So, and I like a fresh orange versus orange juice. And also, I can make a mean old-fashioned with orange juice. With oranges, orange juice, I keep saying that. Okay, so we're gonna do about 2 ounces. So, I'm going to guess it's about, I don't know, 3 slices. Because it's a pretty juicy orange. Okay, next, wash my hands. I'm going to add about 3/4 of lime juice or half a lime. I have lemon juice, unfortunately, but if I have lemon juice, it's the same thing, right? I shouldn't say that. I know there's people who don't believe that. Next, we're going to add some ice and mix it. Then, I'm going to add my favorite, orange bitters. We're gonna add about 8 drops, 4 drops of aromatic bitters, and last but not least, I'm going to muddle a few mint leaves. And why I like to add mint to my Moscow Mule or to most of my drinks is because it really gives you that refreshing taste, that sense, especially in the summer heat. And I mean, I don't know where you're from, but in California it's pretty bad. So I'm going to muddle it to release the mint flavors. Okay, then I'm going to grab a copper cup full of ice and strain it all in there. Then we're going to top with 4 ounces of ginger beer. And we're gonna top it off with some tonic water. Obviously, you don't want to use all your ginger beer, it's just too expensive. And it's perfect. Then, what we're going to do is, we are going to cut a little wheel of orange and garnish our cup. And then we're going to garnish it with some mint. It's all about presentation, honestly. Ooh, it looks beautiful. Let me show you a close-up. And here is a close-up of our orange Moscow Mule. It's a beautiful, it's nice and cold because of the copper cup, and it tastes so refreshing. And there you have it, an orange Moscow Mule. Delicious, refreshing, perfect. Now, if you're one of those with the sweet tooth, just add about 3/4 ounce of simple syrup and you're good to go. Don't go over that because then you'll just add way more calories, and less calories the better, because you're not just gonna drink one. These are so good. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.